What I got here with me is the Canik TP9SF. TP9SF is designed for simplicity without decocker and manual safety. Because of this, it is highly recommended for military and law enforcement usage. TP9SF is a single action pistol with a smooth trigger, which delivers accurate and fast follow-up shots. TP9SF is a full-size pistol and it comes with many features. One of the cool features is Warren Tactical rear sight, and in here you'll see the TP9 series standard white dot front sight. It has perfect design, which is a help for fast and clear shots in any condition. Also, the indicator flag on the top is a tactile flag, so when a round is located into the chamber, indicator pops up. So if you're in low light or completely dark and you're not sure about your chamber being loaded or not, you can just run your finger across and feel the status. Like all Canik TP9 series pistols, it has a 10F finish on the slide for long-lasting corrosion resistance, which is strong and durable. The TP9SF has a strong fiberglass reinforced polymer frame with 1913 military standard Picatinny rail. As you see that, the texture on the grip is really good. The TP9SF also comes with alternate back straps, so you can choose suitable back straps for your hand and improve your gun handling. And the magazines. The pistol comes with 18 rounds magazine. When you look at inside the pistol, you'll see that all internal firing controls components are nickel plated for smooth operation, high performance and endurance. In today's video, we'll be looking into TP9SFT Meta. Now, we already talked about how the Meta series originated in our previous videos. As you remember, they are designed and originated specially for military and law enforcement usage. Let's have a look at specs. TP9SFT Meta is a 9mm single-action striker-fired pistol with 18 rounds capacity. Size-wise, TP9SFT falls between SFX Meta and TP9SF Meta. It has 5-inch match-grade barrel, which has matrix 13.5x1 left-hand pitch thread for suppressors. The sights are true glow tritium front and rear sights. There are forward slide serrations as well as on the rear. The TP9SFT Meta has ambidextrous slide stop lever, which is located on either side of the frame. Just like most of our other TP9 series pistol, it has loaded chamber indicator on the top and striker status on the rear. The pistol has fiber reinforced polymer frame with 1913 military standard Picatinny rail and comes with one 18 rounds Medgar magazine and two spare 20 rounds extended magazine. The grip has nice textures on the sides, front and the back. The back straps are changeable and there is one larger size included in the package to get an ideal fit for your hand. The special design trigger guard provides extra control on the pistol. There are also serrations on the trigger guard if you choose to use it. Trigger safety is a standard. The magazine release button is side reversible and comes with 3 different sizes. Small. Hey, I'm Selim from Canik Arms. What I've got here with me today is Canik TP9SF Mod 2. TP9SF Mod 2 is designed for simplicity without decocker and manual safety. Because of this, it is highly recommended for military and law enforcement usage. TP9SF Mod 2 is a single action pistol with a smooth trigger, which delivers accurate and fast follow-up shots. When we look at the SF Mod 2, you will see that it comes with many new features. One of the cool features of the new Mod 2 is ambidextrous slide stop lever. It is located in either side of the frame for fast loading. Also, the indicator flag on the top is a tactile flag. So when a round is located into the chamber, indicator pops up. So if you're in low light or completely dark and you're not sure about your chamber being loaded or not, you can just run your finger across and feel the status. Here's another cool feature. It's equipped with Warren Tactical rear sight, and in here you have the TP series standard white dot front sight. It has a perfect design, which is a helpful fast and clear shot in any condition. Like all Canik TP9 series pistol, it has a Cerakote over 10F finish on the slide for long-lasting, corrosion-resistant, which is naval standard coating, so it's very strong and durable. The SF Mod 2 has a strong fiberglass reinforced polymer frame with 1913 military standard Picatinny rail. And also the texture on the grip is really good. In addition to this, extra serrations on the front side of the grip and the back strap, so it provides really good friction for the gun handler. And the other new feature is magwell ready back strap. Also, alternate back straps are included in the box to enable an ideal fit for your hand. And the magazines. The pistol comes with two 18 rounds magazines. When you look at the inside of your pistol, you'll see that all internal firing control components are nickel plated for smooth operation. Arms. We're going to go through our latest member in TP9 family today. It's TP9 Elite Subcompact. TP9 Elite Subcompact is the US configuration of the TP9 Sub Elite, which is especially customized for US market. TP9 Elite Subcompact is developed to be the first subcompact version of the TP series pistol with its 3.6-inch barrel. TP9 Elite Subcompact offers the same features as the standard models and designed to be snag-free for better concealment and faster draw. It also offers the best features needed on a subcompact pistol for self-defense and possesses all exceptional features of the bigger members of TP9 family. Thanks to its double stack subcompact frame, it has high round capacity of 12 rounds as standard and up to 15 to 18 rounds with accessories available. With its advanced telescopic spring recoil management system, it has remarkable accuracy. Now, let's have a look at this beautiful pistol. The TP9 Elite SC is a 9mm single-action striker-fired subcompact size pistol. It has 3.6-inch match-grade barrel. The slide has micro red dot interface with co-witness feature. The sights are 2-dot rear and 1-dot front drift-adjustable metal sights. There are forward slice serrations as well as on the rear. Like all other TP9 series pistol, it comes with Tenefer finish with optional color Cerakote over Tenefer, and in addition have their internal firing components nickel plated to ensure smooth operation, corrosion resistance and durability with a service life of well above 50,000 rounds. The TP9 Elite SC has ambidextrous slide stop lever which is located on either side of the frame. Just like most of our other TP9 series, the pistol has loaded chamber indicator on the top and striker status indicator on the rear. The pistol has fiber reinforced polymer frame with 1913 Picatinny rail. The grip on the TP9 Elite SC has improved sight texture with our new logo. The back straps are changeable and there are one included in the package to get an ideal fit for your hand. The special design trigger guard provides extra control on the pistol. There are two safety components to prevent unintended firing on this pistol: trigger safety and firing pin block. Unless the trigger is pulled, striker will not release. And the magazine release button is side reversible. Like all TP9 family pistols, TP9 Elite SC is ready to serve with its high